Hello Tech G's, welcome to today's episode of Laptop Tips and Tricks. If you are joining us for the first time, this is where we show you tips and tricks that make your laptop smarter and make your daily use perfect, right? So is your laptop feeling slow? So today we are going to be sharing 5 easy fixes you can do to speed up things in your laptop. So let's jump in. So the first tip I'm going to be giving you is probably you have too many startup program. So first thing you need to do is to check up the startup program on your system. So many applications launch when you put on your system, right? This slows down your startup time. So if you're on Windows, you press Ctrl Shift plus Escape. So you go to Startup and you disable unnecessary application. If you're on Mac, you go to the System Preference, select User and Group, and you click on Login Items. You'll be able to close startup items. Right? So the second tip is your hard drive is nearly full. So most of the time, a full hard drive can drag performance. So you have to delete old files or you uninstall unused program. So you can also consider moving large files to an external drive or a cloud storage. Third tip is malware and bloatware, right? Malicious software or unnecessary programs can slow down your system a lot. So you always run a full scan with a trusted antivirus software and remove anything suspicious. In our previous video, I've showed you a free antivirus software that you can use. Please do well to watch it and just implement that. So the fourth tip is background processes. Right? Most of the time, background processes eat up your memory, eat up your CPU. So you open your task manager if you're on Windows, or if you're on Mac, you open your activity monitor to see what is running and close unneeded applications. Some of us just open so many tabs that we're not using. This slows down your system. The fifth tip is outdated software and outdated drivers. Right? Keeping your operating system and driver updated ensures smooth performance. So always check for updates regularly in your Windows updates or in your Mac store if you're using it. So try this tip and let me know how much faster your laptop feels. Do drop question in the comments. Hit the like if this helped. Subscribe for more smart tips and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.